Right, so here's an interesting turnout. I decided I didn't want to take any chances, so I bought myself the German Auto Solutions timing tools. So bank 5 to 8, bank 1 to 4. Because you see so many YouTubers telling you that the cheap Chinese copies are no good whatsoever. So just out of curiosity, I decided to buy the German ones to make absolutely sure, and then to compare them to the cheap Chinese ones that you get with the little kits. So let's find out. We'll take 5 and 8 off like that. Pop that on into position and see if it fits, and what do you know, the pin locks in and it's fine. So what about this side? Take that off, bank 1 to 4. Again, put the tool into position and then make sure the holes line up. Yeah, that's in position, and what do you know, they line up perfectly. So there you go, the £70 eBay kit, which I'll link below, times up your Vanos sprockets, absolutely fine, and you don't need to spend, I think it was £170 to get them in the country. The German Auto Solutions, yeah, don't need them at all.